Did you know Netflix can actually make you fluent in English without studying grammar? Here's how to use Netflix to improve your English. Tip number 1. Always watch with English subtitles. Yes, वो जो नीचे lines लिखी आती हैं, always watch your shows with those subtitles. This helps you read and listen at the same time. Eventually, you can stop using subtitles, but start with them. Tip number 2. Repeat short dialogues out loud. Yes, imitate the tone, speed and pronunciation of the actors. जब भी कोई interesting line आए, pause and repeat the way the actor has delivered that dialogue.
I love you, Kiran.
Tip number 3. Note down useful phrases instead of single words. For example, write the whole phrase, I have got your back, or let's get started. These are what native speakers actually use. They don't use heavy words, but they use complete phrases. Tip number 4, which is very important. Choose shows which you enjoy. Shows like Friends, The Office have simple conversational English which is easy to practice and use. Even 15 minutes of watching Netflix this way can make your English sound natural faster than months of textbook learning. Try these tips today and comment your favorite Netflix show for learning English. I'll give tips on how to improve with it. Bye.